the pen in your hand. Here it is. Oh, it looks like someone came from very close to us. Right here. Ready? Push. Will you help me push? Push it in. Yep. Oh, nice, bud. There we go. That's our home.
Mama's coming. So one thing we've encountered on trail is dead towns and what I'd call half dead towns, and Rockwood is definitely a half dead town. We wanted to stay here, so River really wants out. Anyway, the campground closed. Bed and breakfast, Rockwood Trail House closed. Morning, day 6. Is today day 6?
Today's Wednesday?
Wednesday.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Wow, yeah it is. 26.
Goodbye, Hostel on Main. Feels longer.
My favorite part of the hostel was the porch swing, and that River would push me. Yep, we're going, buddy. Yep, River's ready.
This morning I was thinking about how before the trip you said this isn't a vacation, it's work.
Yeah.
And at the time I was like, no, it's a vacation. And now I'm on the tour.
Trip.
It's a trip for sure. I guess I like this type of trip. And
You don't vacation.
I don't think I vacation in the traditional sense.
Your vacation is a trip that requires one.
Do you think these types of trips are more valuable experiences?
They're different. I can really use some time where I'm not working.
You feel pretty tired right now?
Yeah. Dealing with what my hair is tired.
Do you think you'll feel the same way after the trip?
Yep. I think I'm gonna go home being tired. Have a fun trip.
Do you think when you look back you'll smile?